Here's the app. It's called January. Uh, like this app claims to do a lot. See a food's glucose impact before you eat it. When you understand your food, you can change your habits for good. Our predictive AI shows you the impact of food before you eat it. No guesswork, no sensors, just AI. Of course, with these, AI apps and especially health and fitness apps, I would really recommend to consult with your doctor and just, this is just a subjective review. I'm not like your medical advisor, but there is a really cool power of AI where you can just scan food and scan ingredients. Take a photo of your meal or scan the barcode, will add the ingredients for you. Understand your food, see the glucose, spice, nutrition facts, and suggested alternatives so you can optimize macros based on your goals, track and build healthier habits. Yep, here it is. Let's just try it out. So here, January glucose and nutrition app, food tracker plus blood sugar. Here is the app. Yes, some positive reviews about this app. You can allow, and then here it is. Then you can just go and create your account. Let's just try to do that. And then you need to add all of these details. All right, so let's just try to add those. Hey, wait. Ethnicity or and then you can just see all of these details. And then, for example, let's check it out. Banana, so you can see number of calories, low impact, protein, fiber, net carbs, alternatives, blueberry, kiwi, and that's the idea. You can allow notifications. Then you can search any food. You can scan the barcode. You can do like a quick log. What did you have? Blueberries. And then you can just log it. And then, like, for example, let's just try how it works with the with some real images. So let's just try it out. I'm actually quite interested what it can do. So for example, if I have some, and how good is it? So for example, if I have some chocolate here, so can it recognize it or not? Dark chocolate bar. All right, great. So it's actually really recognizes it. So it's really dark chocolate bar, and then you can just see impact. So you can see medium impact, and then you can see so you can see basically the impact and what's a better alternatives, and just add it when you ate it. So then again, let's just try to do with camera. Let's, for example, these nuts. Almonds. Okay, see impact, low impact. So then you can see calories, 21 gram of protein, 10 gram of Fiber net carbs 10 gram, fat 52. So that's actually pretty cool. Serving size, and then yeah, so that's basically the idea of the app, and it's with the help of AI, it's really quite accurate, and it really does recognize yeah, all of this. So that's basically quite amazing. There is an app called Vivino where you just scan wine. Here you just scan foods, and then just for that, then there are some insights, and then if you log your food, that's also a nice idea. And then you have also your profile. You can see your details again, and then dietary preferences, account settings. You can always delete your account. And then it says, yep, that January app is for informational purposes only and doesn't provide diagnosis, treatment, or medical advice. Should not take any clinical action without medical advice from your healthcare provider, and all of that. So yep, that's basically what it is. And then there is like a January Pro. That's another app, I guess. So basically, that's also another app you can check out in this category. So yeah, that's pretty amazing new app. So give it a try.